Hey everybody, how you guys doing out there? It's Pete, aka Joseph Von Schmidt with Wrestling with Stocks. I've been doing these videos going over some beginner investment procedures, getting acclimated to the stock market, understanding trading, and trying to get beginners to get a grasp of what the stock market is, how it can benefit you, terms, and how to use your finances to help you. Now, I just want to take this minute to tell you all that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who has been blessed to know the stock market, understand the stock market, and to be able to help explain and go over some things about the stock market to help beginners get involved in stocks, stock trading, and building a financial future for yourself. With the stock market, I just want to put this out here as well. Everything is risky. If you are investing in the stock market, you could get a loss. That's just how it is in all things. But what I want to talk to you guys about today is my a strategy. I don't know if anyone has heard what has happened in the last 2 days about Goldman Sachs. They sold off 10.5 billion of stocks in a block trade. I have the article up here, and I'm going to kind of go through it. Forgive me, I'm going to have my camera jumping on and off. So it's a trade spree. So what we're seeing is Goldman Sachs Group liquidated 10.5 billion worth of stocks in block trade on Friday, part of an extraordinary spree of selling that erased 35 billion from the values of bellwether stocks ranging from Chinese technology giants to U.S. media conglomerate. And here's the story. Guys can just Google Goldman Sachs sold 10.5 billion shares of stock, and you can do all the reading yourself. So I'm going to kind of skip ahead to where my strategy is when I see something like this. So two of the companies that got affected were Viacom, ticker symbol VIACA, and Discovery. Let's see, we could pull that story up, or that ticker. It's the Discovery Incorporated. Let's see. I don't know this ticker offhand. I don't know the ticker, but Viacom and Discover were two of the stocks that were affected. Viacom, I believe, was around 68 a share before this blockchain trade got initiated, and I think Discovery was somewhere around the same, around 62 or 58. Sorry, I'm losing that here. So my strategy, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling anyone what to do here, but I'm just trying to help along this is something that I see happening, and I try to take full advantage of it. So being how the stock it was, my money was tied up. And if you go back to any of my other videos, not buying in the red, selling in the green, trading options, any of those other videos I have, feel free to go take a look at them. And if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe. But these companies have no reason to have a $20 short in price other than they were liquidated by Goldman Sachs. So what I did is I sold some of my position, and I sold my company I have is Salesforce. I was holding, ticker symbol is CRM, and I was in the red on that stock. And you say, whoa, wait a second, Pete, you told us about not selling on the red. And that's true. when you're a beginning investor, you don't want to sell stocks in the red. You want to hold them and you want to buy stocks as long-term hold. But when I see an opportunity like this, when Discover is down 20 points and Viacom is down 20 points, I'm going to sell a bit of position to loosen up some money in my portfolio to buy some shares of this. So Salesforce is trading around $209 a share. Again, Viacom was trading somewhere after this hit was trading somewhere about $38 to $43, and Discover was, I think, somewhere around 40 to 43. And so I was able to sell half of my position in Salesforce. I sold it in the red because I believe not only can I get more of a position in stocks, like I said, if you look at Salesforce, is about $208 a share. So I sold half of my position in that, and these two companies were around $40 when I bought them, somewhere in that range, between 40 and 41 for both of those companies. I was able to buy almost, 1.5 times more shares in my positions of Salesforce with these two companies, and which gives me a better range of not only making my money back from Salesforce that it was down a little bit, but I have two other options that if they do return where they should be, up another $20, which will happen eventually. Again, remember, we're in the long term of these stocks. So I believe that I have a better chance, a better spread for my money to make a better play for these two stocks in trading in Salesforce. So I just wanted to share one of my options and one of my strategies with you guys. Again, I'm not telling you guys how to invest your money, what to do, but just a tip from a guy who studies the stock market, looks at investments, and sees these kind of things, and understands that when everyone is scared, that's when you buy, and when everyone is greedy, that's when you sell. And that's just a very, very basic principle that you should have in the stock market. And as beginners, we're all learning. We all learn at our rate. And so these videos are made again to help you as a beginner to increase in stock. So I hope this video helped. Again, this is Pete, aka Joseph Von Schmidt, Wrestling with Stocks. Feel free to click the link below in the description for Webull. Download a app for trading. You'll get yourself some free stocks. And again, Pete, aka Joseph Von Schmidt, Wrestling with Stocks. Thank you guys. God bless you all. I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you next time. All right. Have a great day.